Hi folks, it's Tom from Audile here. Today we're taking a look at a new pedal. We have the new Bass TOAD. Now this is very similar to the original Toad, but it has been retuned for some of those lower end frequencies. I'll start by saying one of my favourite features about this pedal is that when you turn it on, you don't lose any of that low end response that normally happens when you turn on a bass overdrive pedal. Alright, let's jump into some tones and I'll show you what I mean. So when you turn the pedal off, you still keep a lot of that low end. But if that vintage tone where you have a little bit of a roll off on that low end is more your thing, you have your choke control here. And that's just a high pass filter, and that adjusts how much is being cut out there. One of my other things that I really like doing on this pedal is moving to the dark mode and bringing the gain down just a touch. Might try some lower gain tones now. With the gain up quite high, I'll flick it back onto the neutral setting there. And you'll hear with that gain, even all the way up, you don't lose any bass sense. So I'm just going to roll through the gain now so you can hear what I mean. Well, there you go folks, that was the Bass TOAD by Audile. That's the next pedal going on my board. Thanks for checking it out.